Hi, I'm Luke Margolis with Atlantic Health System. Thanks for listening to our latest podcast. On behalf of all the doctors, nurses, and other team members committed to building healthier communities, we're proud to share the latest news from across our system. For health tips and other life-saving information, visit atlantichealth.org.
Hi, I'm Sharon Kelly with Concern, and this is podcast number 2 of our 4-part series on how to manage stress. This week, we want to focus on building resilience and setting healthy limits. Last week we discussed what stress is and the various ways that stress might present itself in our lives. Today, let's take a look at building resilience and setting healthy limits for good mental health. One of the best ways to manage stress is to cultivate resilience. Atlantic Health System defines resilience as bouncing back, growing through challenges, enjoying what we do, who we do it with, and why we do it. So next time you're feeling stressed, try to think back on a time you overcame a difficulty. Remember the time you didn't think you would make that deadline? You know what? You did. Recall a time when you were new at something and you got better at it over time. This is a resiliency builder. It will help you to remember that you can get through a hard time because you did it before. Also, reminding yourself of this situation is only temporary and that with time, it will change. Stress management also means learning to set healthy limits. This can be setting healthy limits on what you're going to eat, what you're going to drink, or how late you're going to stay up at night. Or setting healthy limits can mean who and what you say yes to. Good stress management includes maintaining a hopeful outlook on things. That means learning how to monitor our internal self-talk. If you're repeating negative messages inside, you can be sure that this is contributing to increased stress. Tune in next week. We will be teaching you the STOP technique as a way of managing stress and building resilience. And in week 4, we will lead you through a guided meditation for dealing with anxiety. Thanks for tuning in to Mind Your Mental Health.